This is a very strong ball-carrying midfield. Dallas McLeod and Lester Fainganuku. The back three, try-scoring freak Sevu Reece, easily one of the form wingers right now, Shea Fihaki, and captain tonight from fullback, Will Jordan. Reserves a very possible debut at prop for Jack Sexton, son of former Crusaders hooker Matt Sexton, and with Chapman promoted to start, it means Mitch Drummond comes into jersey 21.
Strong Ravula. Namothi retains the number 12 jersey and joined by former French international Barimi Bakatawa. As always, plenty of pace in the back three. Former Crusader Mataeli, Drasesi and Nasova. And on the bench, a ton of impact with the likes of Ravi, Vothi and Valentini. The coach, Glenn Jackson. Both teams, and we are ready to go. And it will be Armstrong Ravula with the kickoff. And a good contest for the ball. And now they've got to decide who gets the line out, and it will be the Crusaders. Now it's Chapman for Kemera, drops it to Fainganuku, puts Shea Fihaki in the gap. Now Jordan got support out wide. Sevu Reece strolls across and scores the opening try.
Holding on. Marcus here.
I think you know what's coming now. Oh, he's gone quickly, Will Jordan.
He's had enough. He wants to go wide.
The kick through is Sevu Reece. Oh, boy. How good. Sevu Reece again. Another advantage coming as Narcilla gets close. Now they have another shot at the line. Still playing under this penalty advantage. And the try is scored. And it looks like it was Joe Tamani. Here's Fainganuku showing his power in the midfield. Lays it back for Chapman. Gets the call. Shelfoon. Jordan trying. Got his pass away. Shelfoon away for Fihaki. And they've done it again. Shea Fihaki scores. Tongiatama holding in the back. Still holding. Another penalty. Boy, it's counting. The Crusaders are plenty of penalties. Try scored.
Okay, time's going on, guys.
Paul Williams blows the whistle. He's got a new name, that fella. More, and this is looking promising again. Taylor's still got it, and now he's giving it away to Leo Willie, and he's getting close. Now Chapman shovels it across to Shelfoon. Snapped up, and it's a try. Brilliant hands by Mataeli, a proven try scorer, ex-Crusaders. Now Armstrong Ravula for Namothi. Away it goes again, this time back at Tawa. Lovely pass, and a try is scored. He gets his second, Elia Thana Kaibaka. So a penalty advantage coming here against the Brewer. Chapman serves it up, Enor. Over the top it goes, and guess who? Away it goes. Armstrong Ravula. Little kick through by Rabitu. And now the chase is on. Oh, brilliant hands. Manasa Mataeli.
Will Jordan. Shea Fihaki.
Well, firstly it'd be the scrum power. And off the back goes Callow. Still going, Corey Callow. Did he get it down?
I think he did.
I think the ball went on the ground. I'm not sure he's holding on to it. It's a Fijian draw scrum. And Bali Sala. Oh, intercept by Fihaki. Try number 10 tonight for the Crusaders. as CHERY strolls over.
Short there, boys.
Refereeing team having a good look at it. Another go and close.
Advantage offside.
Got an advantage, they're going to try. So they do get one last try. And the last kick is going to miss. But it's the end of the game. And it's the end of an era here in Christchurch as the Crusaders sign off at Apollo Project Stadium in the most convincing fashion, beating the Fijian Drua